Tell us, what are your main floor preparation challenges? In comes TANK-1500, the ultimate problem solver, with unmatched robustness, peak efficiency, and a 3-year warranty. This powerhouse, equipped with an integrated vacuum, tackles challenges like airborne dust, ensuring pristine surfaces, preparation, and much more. Uncover your challenges and behold the solutions. TANK-1500 turns hurdles into triumphs, making your floor prep journey seamless and efficient. Share your challenges and let TANK-1500 provide tailored solutions. Reach out to us at htgnorthamerica.com to book a demo for a transformative floor prep experience. Please note, PPE, personal protective equipment, is always recommended when using surface preparation equipment.